Blow, blow, thou winter wind, from As You Like It, Act 2, Scene 7, by William Shakespeare. This is a LibriVox recording. For more information or to volunteer, please visit LibriVox.org. Blow, blow, thou winter wind, thou art not so unkind as man's ingratitude. Thy tooth is not so keen because thou art not seen, although thy breath be rude. Hey-ho, sing hey-ho unto the green holly. Most friendship is feigning, most loving mere folly. Then hey-ho, the holly. This life is most jolly. Freeze, freeze, thou bitter sky, that dost not bite so nigh, as benefits forgot. Though thou the waters warp, thy sting is not so sharp, as friend remembered not. Hey-ho, sing hey-ho unto the green holly. Most friendship is feigning, most loving mere folly. Then hey-ho, the holly. This life is most jolly. End of Blow, Blow, Thou Winter Wind, from As You Like It, Act 2, Scene 7. This recording is in the public domain.